So the higher you lift the dumbbell when you're doing a biceps curl, the less of your biceps you will be working. If you think about it, your bicep helps to bend your elbow, this movement right here. So the second you bend it, if you just keep lifting it higher and higher and higher at that point, you're just working the shoulder at this point, almost as if you're doing a front raise. So it's not to say that lifting the dumbbell up a little bit higher won't still work your bicep. It'll just work in a slightly different moment arm or angle where the force is going through the bicep. So right here, the hardest part of the movement is where the dumbbell's straight out in front for the bicep. But up here, it's a little bit easier. So then the second it's down here, now it's way harder up here. So you can kind of play around with it and see which one works for you with the best overall movement. But just know, at this point, it's not really working the bicep that much. And if you actually look at the dumbbell, it's perpendicular with my arm, which basically means my bicep isn't really doing anything.